How to use Max Width in Wix Studio. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to use Max Width in your Wix Studio website. It's gonna be very easy and simple steps. So first, you have to log into your Wix Studio account, and then you can choose the website. I'm gonna choose this one. After that, you will be in that website dashboard, and you can navigate to edit site here. You can click on it. And then you will be redirected to your website editor. This is my website editor. So in order to use MaxWidth, you can navigate to your sidebar on the left screen and then go to site styles, this one. And then you will find MaxWidth here. You can click it. As you can see, MaxWidth keep elements from growing in larger screen. So you can apply to site. You have to activate it. And as we can see, my max width is 1000 pixel. So basically you can, modify it. Maybe you want to like this, maybe 800, but the max width value must be larger than 1001 pixel. So basically you have to make it larger than 1001 pixel. Let's say I'm gonna make it, let's say 1001, just for example, and then you can close it. So now we can check it by right click and then select layer and then go to the section and then open inspector here. And as you can see, the size is 1001 pixel. So let's say we're gonna change it. Go back to site styles and then go to max width. And then we're gonna change it to 2100 like that. And as you can see, it's changed. If we right click and select a section again, and then open the inspector, we're gonna see it change. And yeah, I think that's it how to use MaxWidth. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.